I think when it comes to crime, retributive justice in our criminal justice system is dangerous if you...
Give me an example.
I feel intention is a lot more important than you're saying it is.
I don't. Just because you're poor and you commit a crime, it's insulting other poor people that don't commit crimes, saying that poverty is an excuse to crime.
I think intention, what I mean by intention is how much control someone had over their decision. I think there's a lot of social... Pardon?
You're a free being. You have total agency over your decisions.
I think a lot of the relevant science is starting to disagree with that idea.
Yes, so on the quantum level, that's not true. And by the way, the world can be deduced more than a series of cause and effect. You know why? We have this miraculous thing called reason. It's called logos in John 1. You probably studied it in theology class. Logos means you could change and pivot immediately. It means you are not set and bound to the previous atoms that came before you. Reason means you could do deductibility, you can have rationality, freedom of choice. You made a choice to come here tonight. Now, the relevant neuroscience, which Sam Harris is a part of in his book Moral Landscape, he would say, well, we're all just kind of a combination of cause and effect, and what we think is free will is not free will. That's silly, and I'm going to tell you why. Because in the beginning was the Logos, and the Logos was God, and the Logos became God, right? And John 1 is there for a reason to show us that the Logos is a properly ordered universe, that free beings can point up and aim high, find virtue and eternity. You see, the issue with the neuroscientist argument is that it's impossible to prove, but it's impossible to disprove. Determinism, which is basically what you're beginning to enter into, takes way more faith than believing in free will.